When you look at the dots for the feather stitch, it just seems like a bunch of random dots. But technically I have them in 3 rows here, and some people just create lines with heat erasing ink, 3 lines to do this stitch. But since this isn't heat erasing, I thought the dots would be easier. I'm using 3 strands, and I come up at this middle top dot. So you'll kind of want to think about these dots in rows. So we have the left row, the middle row, and the right row. And then I'm going down in the right side, leave a loop, and then I come up in this middle row. There's more dots in the middle, and pull it to create a V. And it kind of starts out like the fly stitch, but then we're going to move over here to the left, make another loop, come back to the middle, pull it, and it's going to make a V again. But we're never closing this off. We just keep continuing over to the right side now, and then to the middle, pull it to create the V, and we just continue like that, always coming back to the middle. So to the left side, and then the middle for the bottom of the V, and then to the right side, all the way down to the bottom. And if you're creating your own pattern, you could try making the dots further apart or closer together to achieve different looks. But this is a neat difference from the fly stitch because it gives us more of a staggered vining look, which can really be a neat effect. So on this last one, after we make our V, now we're going to close it off by sending our needle down on the outside of the V and pulling it tight. Tie it off in the back, and there is our feather stitch. What do you think? Do you like the difference from the fly stitch? They're so similar, but the spacing is just a little bit different.